Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can install Windows 8 or Windows 10. The process is almost same, so there is no need to search for another video if you want to install Windows 10 or if you want to install Windows 8. The process is almost same. Okay, so first of all you have to open your Google Chrome and download Windows 8. So in this case I'm going to install Windows 8 on my laptop because I don't know why my laptop sometimes disappear Wi-Fi option. So that's why I'm going to install Windows 8. So I'm going to downgrade it. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome and here you have to search for. Okay, so now I'm going to search here Windows 8.1 Pro version download. Windows 8, I actually searched it before. So as you can see the first website is getmyos.com. So I would say that you can download from Microsoft official site, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to download it from a third party site. So as you can see that there is a option called download. So I'm going to click on it, and as you can see that it's like, so first of all when you click in this site first time, they will ask you to sign in. So you can sign in with your Google account. Here is saying that 100% official files, so you don't have to think about virus and antivirus. So I'm going to just click on it, and as you can see that there are multiple options showing here like x86 and x64. Okay, so actually my operating system is x64 base. So if you don't know how to check your operating system, so let me show you first that how you can check your operating system. Okay guys, in order to check your operating system is based on x64 or x86. So there are a couple of options as I'm a developer, so I'm not going to use like GUI, I mean graphical user interface. I'm going to use command prompt. So for that I'm going to use Windows plus R. So as you can see that one pop-up is come up on my desktop screen, and I'm going to write here like CMD. So command prompt is open, and now I'm going to type here system info. System info. So as you can see that my system information is generating. So as you can see that here my operating system is based on this x64. So as you can see this is my system type. So as you can see that I already know that my system is based on x64. So I'm going to click on the first option. So now I'm going to click on download. So here it's redirected to Google Drive. So this is a Google Drive file. So this website owner hosted all the big file on Google Drive. So I'm going to click download anyway. So guys, as you can see that our first option is failed due to lots of user download the Windows file from that site like getmyios.com. So Google Drive sometimes reject that if a file too many download from the same location. Okay, so I'm going to click on archive.org. So I'm going to try a second option. So you can also download from up to down. So I'm not going to go with up to down. So I'm going to click on archive.com. So here I have to search for like iOS 2 files. Okay, so as you can see that I just click here download option. So just you have to be little technical here. So maybe if you are watching this video like 5 years later or 10 years later, so the process might be different because they sometimes updated their website UI. So I'm going to click on download image. So here there are two options showing like one is 32-bit and second one is 64-bit. So I'm going to click on 64-bit. So as you can see that our download is progress. So I have to wait a few minute, or maybe it's take half an hour due to my internet speed. So it's depend on my internet speed. So I'm going to pause the video, and after downloading the file I'm going to click I'm going to show you how you can make your pen drive bootable. So for this process you have to you need a pen drive with at least 8 GB of free space. So you need at least 8 GB pen drive, because the file is 3.3 GB. So I'm going to pause the video here, and after downloading it I'm going to show you how you can make your pen drive bootable. Okay, so I'm going to then after that I'm going to show you the later process how you can install Windows 8 on your laptop or desktop. As you can see that guys, our download is almost complete. It's only left 5 seconds. So after finishing download I'm going to show you how you can make your pen drive bootable. Okay, so let first finish the download. Okay, so download is finished, and now I'm going to search on my browser a software, third-party software. So I'm going to show you that what you have to search. So here you have to search Rufus. So this is the software that will make your pen drive into a bootable pen drive. Okay, normal pen drive to a bootable pen drive. So as you can see that there are lots of versions showing. So actually guys, so we are going to just download one of them. So we are going to click Rufus 4.7. So after finishing it, firstly we are going to install it. So guys, I'm going to show you in folder. So as you can see that Rufus here a little icon is showing. So you have to just keep an eye on it. So little icon is showing, and this icon name is administrator. Okay, so you have to open it run as administrator. So here is asking for permission. So I'm going to click on yes. So here it is asking that do you want to allow Rufus to check application update online. So I'm going to click it no. Okay guys, now you have to select your device here. First, the first option. So 64. Okay, and boot selection like this iOS. Okay, so this iOS, and now you have to select your file. So I'm going to click this file and open. Okay guys, that now our setting is ready for start to boot our pen drive for Windows. So I'm going to click on install. So here it is asking that if you click yes, your all the data on your pen drive will be erased. Okay, so I already format my pen drive. So if you have any sensitive data on your pen drive, firstly I will recommend you that firstly you have to just move or copy your file to a different pen drive. So I'm going to click on OK. So as you can see that our pen drive is booting, getting ready for bootable pen drive. So it will take some time. After finishing it, I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so in between our processing, I'm going to show you another thing, that I'm going to install Windows 8 Pro on my laptop. That is current version is Windows 11. So when you are going to start your device, so there are different band on the market, right? So if you are using Acer, like their booting system is different, to go boot option is different, and I'm going to use here Asus. So my booting system is different. Like my booting system, after restarting, I have to continuously press on F9, and maybe you sometime another device you are using, there maybe you have to require delete option, F11 option. So it's depend on brand. So you have to just search for brand name like yes, Asus boot menu key. Okay, so as you can see that here press F2, delete, or F9. Okay, in my case I'm going to click F9. So let's see Rufus. So Rufus is almost getting ready. So 40% is almost done. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, and after finishing the process I'm going to continue it. Okay guys, our pen drive is almost ready for boot. So it is almost copied 96%, so it's almost done finalizing. So my device is ready, so I'm going to close it. Okay guys, now when you are going to install Windows 8 on your laptop or desktop, there will be required a product key. So here you have to search for Windows 8 Pro product key. Okay, so Microsoft, this product is generated from Microsoft official website. This is generic product key. Okay, so you have to enter this product key there. So now I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to insert my pen drive on my laptop and install Windows. Okay guys, I insert my pen drive on my laptop, and now I'm going to take you to the boot option on from Windows. If you are using Windows 10, so you have to just click on menu option, and here you have to go to here and going to you have to click on restart. Okay, with left shift key. Okay, I'm going to press on left shift key and hold it, and at the same time I'm going to restart my device. Okay, so our laptop is restarting, so it will directly take you to the boot option. So you have to just wait. Actually guys, my mobile camera is not pretty well, so that's why it is sometimes showing blurry. So guys, you have to get patient. So as you can see that I'm going to release my shift key, and it will directly take you to boot option. So as you can see that my laptop is showing multiple options. I'm using Windows 11, so I'm going to click on troubleshoot, advanced option, and UEFI firmware setting, and I'm going to tap on restart. So my device is restarting, and it will directly take me to boot option. So as you can see guys, our boot option is open. Okay guys, my laptop is Asus brand, so it is little complex in Asus brand. So here I'm going to click on here. As you can see that here is asking for F7, so I'm just going to little F7. So I'm going to click either OK or press F7. So I'm going to click on F7. So as you can see that another tab is open here. So I'm going to click on security here. So as you can see, here is the option called secure boot option. So I'm going to click it disable, and now I'm going to click on boot. Okay guys, after coming to boot option, you have to click F10. So here it is asking save and exit. So I'm going to click enter, and at the same time you have to press escape. So I just click on my escape. So as you can see that there are two options came. One is partition 1, and I have to click UEFI. So guys, that as you can see that here the Windows 8 is opening. So now I have to just click on next here. So here my mouse is not working. You have to just click enter. So here is asking to install now, and I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, our Windows is getting ready. So setup is starting. It will be start within few seconds. So I have to just wait. So here is asking for a product key. So as I have already shown you guys, so after clicking on it, it is asking to enter terms and condition. So I'm going to accept the terms and condition. So after choosing that option, so I just use here my arrow key. So you have to just depend on your laptop that which key is functioning there. So I just clicked on my arrow key, and it is saying that Windows is getting ready to install. So 1% is done. So after finishing in 100%, I'm going to resume the video again. So guys, one disclaimer I want to give you, that if you are downgrading your Windows 11 to Windows 8 in your laptop, so this is the common problem, that your trackpad will not work. So as you can see that my trackpad is not working here. Why? Because the driver associated with trackpad is not compatible with Windows 8. Okay, so that's why please do not downgrade it. So I would say, if you have so the mouse is working because I use external mouse. So as you can see, so that is that was the process. So I can use all the things here, like not connected to. So here are multiple setting I have to do here. So that was the video, guys. So thank you.